Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2005 Fontaine 36 foot 6 inches long by 102 wide aluminum combo. Folks, this thing has a brand new headboard on it. It has been sandblasted, primed and repainted. Kingpin plate has been replaced. As we come down the side here, brand new straps, refurbed ratchets, a used aluminum toolbox, refurbed steel outer rim, 225s, brand new rubber all the way around the unit. Spring ride suspension, brand new brakes and drums all the way around. A universal mounting kit, carry a Moffett, a Princeton, a Load Mac, and many other brands. You can take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Take a look at all of our available units, whether it's a truck, a trailer, a piggyback forklift, for sale. Refurb steel outer rim, brand new rubber, 36 foot 6 by 102. Sandblasted, primed and repainted. Front end has been counterweighted to carry a piggyback forklift. This is Equipment Remarketing. You can contact us at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com.